Send traffic.
I have one time backup, please.
If will let command deal with it. Are you at the time able to push on?
Send again.
Are you able to push on at this time?
If I'm clearing the compound thingy.
Fun message.
Wait. Send message.
Armor has dismounted. We have taken half of the compound to the northwest. There is a munitions dump here. What do you want done with it?
What kind of, is it just a bunch of ammunition there?
What kind of ammunition? The one in a box? It doesn't say.
Hey, firmly.
Eyes on. Wrong now. Blue team, do you have any eyes on anything? Negative. Copy.
Ignore the ammo cache, get moving as fast as possible. The HVT is most likely inside the FOB and might be captured and could be killed. We want to be there before this happens, so try and get a move on. If need be, you are to postpone this compound without clearing it completely.
You're not gonna clear it completely.
Let our casters deal with any struggles.
New orders, mount back up, yeah, pushing to the FOB quickly.
Sounds.
Yep.
So due to the guns being glitched, then
Don't touch the gun.
I'm just saying that we have enough seats for everyone. Because obviously...
There's still second Humvee. That's good, but don't touch the gun.
No, we don't want to risk anything.
No gun touching.
What is this? Don't gun on the gun.
Yeah,
It's over there. Okay, green on me. Reg.
Fun message.
Send.
Warcrime 1-1 infantry detachment has found a tunnel in the enemy base. Permission to go and clear it.
Negative. We are to push towards the fob. Unless the tunnel goes to the fob, we are to ignore it.
Copy.
Anyone waits to find out?
Send message.
This is the British forces, not the American.
Negative, you're gonna push up the road, go assault the Objective,
Let's be able
if you
to
look on
both
the map.
ground units, get a move on now. We are to move as fast as possible now.
Sans, can you update me?
How copy?
Fob as in our fob or to continue advancing?
Continue advance assault.
Alright, okay. Right, we're going left, driver. Whoever fucking one of you is driving.
We are double timing in the push.
I'm the driver. Call them driver.
Well, yeah, it didn't stop us last time, right? Same thing applies to Z. If it ain't friendly, you kill it. I don't care if it's
Yeah, don't worry.
dead.
When we get on the dismount marker, I want a full dismount.
There's pretty much no turns. It's like as soon as we get to this first right turn, we just stop here and dismount.
See a green line for armor.
Fun message.
Fridge, since you don't have a gunner, go second Vic.
With armor now, just using an up-armored Humvee,
Wait,
do you wanna... You could say go,
I've
or am I
heard they
having a
have a
retard
gunner.
session?
There we go. Dismount soon.
The turret is cursed, we're not gonna touch it.
Right, stop here, Rick.
Dismount.
Still waiting on the platoon leader, so armor, chill out.
Now send it.
What do you want armor to do?
You are to push up the dirt road together or simultaneously with the infantry.
Your armor is in a Humvee now. You know that, right?
Your light armor.
Yeah, well, they'd like to.
Your light armor.
You're in a Humvee.
Humvee, Craig. Bradley had been blown the fuck up.
Oh, at least I can use first person.
Alright,
Upgrades.
wait, what?
Driver hold, Rook, stop. Fucking hell. Right, up.
Blue team, can you...
Wrong net again, god damn it.
Actually, fun message.
Blue team, push north on the road and be on the left side. Apologies, copy.
Does he want us to assault that hill?
I don't fucking know, man. He keeps putting me on hold. I don't know who the fuck he's talking to.
Send message.
I don't fucking know.
He was coming up behind anyway, you could talk to him in person. Like,
Send message.
We have a Gatling gun on this. We can use this as a light armored vehicle, but the infantry have to protect.
Use the Humvees, don't fully dismount, only soft dismount, and use them to roll up the dirt road.
Sam, can you give me one of your men
Why?
to command the other
only have
Humvee?
Okay,
I know.
yeah,
Shiver
that's
is
what we're
sending
gonna
back the second Vic.
Honestly, Sans, your opinion, do you think you guys can scale that?
They can, but I don't want to assault up the hill.
Alright, fair enough.
But
But
we
the
can
other
do
option
it.
is moving next to the Vix up this road.
Yeah. But,
Any better ideas?
no, we're gonna climb.
You gonna climb?
Yeah, we're gonna climb.
I have an idea.
Yeah.
Why don't we have our heli do recon up on top of the hill?
We don't know if
Scout
there's
it.
A or not.
We do know that there is no AA, but we also know that there's reinserts, reinfill from the
Say again,
enemy
bro?
Russians to our southeast. So
Oh,
they are to deal with that.
Okay, Cam, can you get inside the
Roger that.
Humvee?
Also, it
On the
doesn't
gun.
really matter if we know what's up
The
there
rear gun?
because we know there's
Can you
enemies.
get in it?
Rog.
Yeah, copy that. No, the other one, in the rear Vic.
What do we
Need
need?
to get
Sans,
a man.
tell me
Back there.
once
Rear vehicle.
all of
Yeah, the vehicle's
Vics
down the
are
road.
mounted
Get in the
with
vehicle down the road,
gunner
we're
and
gonna-
driver.
I'm not touching the gunner on that fucking Vic.
Yeah, just tell me when they're
Broken
done and ready to move.
I'm telling you, if that Humvee is cursed, I'm not gonna touch it. What have I done?
Motherfucker, pick one dude. Someone you don't like.
Sends.
Get inside. Fucking get inside.
On the gun. So get in a passenger seat, then the gun.
Oh my god.
Who's the
Okay.
driver?
Me.
Is-
Me? Okay, you're also technically armor, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we are the most armored thing you have.
Who's the gunner in second Vic? Who
Right, we're gonna climb that hill. We're in
You're now
3,
in
4,
charge
8.
of both Humvees.
Yeah, I got that, yeah.
Nice, okay.
Who's this
Yep,
infantryman
we're
in
gonna
the
climb
second
up.
Humvee?
No, we're not gonna follow.
Sense,
Grim,
how
No, we're gonna.
you ready to move up?
Yeah. No, we're not gonna follow the armor. We're just gonna climb up the hill. Get set up on the hill.
Both ground teams, you're
On you,
good
move.
to move. The Humvees will move up the dirt road and take your time as we don't want you to rush into a K-17.
Jesus Christ.
Troops on one, this is PL.
I was on the right before and please nick my space.
Keep your eyes open to any re-infills from the Russian side to our southeast.
Okay,
We
go
tried to
off-road
swap.
now.
Nah, it's alright, it's too late.
Go north, northwest, up the hill. Do not follow the road. How did the support team become the assault team? Goddamn.
Yeah. It's not struggling to go around tapping W's with the stars.
Yeah, no, that's okay. I'll keep my mic blocked open.
Hey,
Yeah.
just keep pushing north.
Literally,
Sense is stinky.
quite problematic.
Yeah.
Unless I was on the ground, unlike you in the air. Fucking sitting in a nice fucking seat, not getting blown
And
up.
hearing all of these complete atrocious things. Right, Sense, I want you to try and get with your guys' eyes down this road that's leading up,
Copy.
if possible.
Try to get eyes on the road.
Found message.
Push northeast.
Behind the bunker there is a cave.
Wait, one.
The tunnel should not lead to the FOB.
Where exactly is a cave? Behind the yellow building?
It will lead
On the tower, on the tower. On the tower.
Ignore it for now and push up with the VIG.
He's still alive, he's just not
Just kill him, come on.
Copy, ignoring, moving on.
Come on, this is PL.
For criminal message, the road ahead of you looks clear.
Good copy, war criminal advancing.
Yeah, there, go, go, go. You have initiative, go, move. Come on. Use your team, come on. Bless you.
Thank you.
Alpha, message.
Son?
Armor has
Yes, Alpha.
we've stopped. We have stopped until you can catch up.
Copy.
Post squads, listen up. The farthest northwestern building in the FOB is most likely the HVT location. You are to get there as fast as possible due to a fight between the Russians and a second force that is currently unknown.
Permission to rush it with armor.
Copy. You say northwest?
Farthest northwestern building, yes.
Copy that, we're gonna race. Right, new message. Hang on. Do you see the most northwestern building? The HVT is in there and we need to get there as
Do you
quickly
have
as possible.
eyes on any QRF to our southeast? Ave. You are to move to the north of the FOB. You are good to circle this area. If you're getting engaged, you're also good to fall back.
didn't realise I signed up for mountain climbing.
We're almost there. Almost moving at like 2 miles now. We'll get there. I don't know if that's armor or fucking heli shooting.
That's armor. They have a minigun as well. And yes, we are racing, so double time. Hey, Phil.
Come on, use that US flag. Ride it like a flying carpet.
By the way, the Russians.
I've got some wire cutters and shit like that.
Just for the information, the Russians are fighting the BMC. The BMC may be friendly. Maybe.
Oh, fuck, that's not what I
Both
wanted, is
squid
it?
teams, the HVT is to be taken alive if possible.
Also,
We are currently working on getting an image of the HVT.
Copy. Go, just jump. Don't do the second one. Go on, Joe, go. Let's go.
War crime 1, Citrip.
First, Vic is in compound causing chaos. Second one, gunned down, currently treating him.
Dave.
Push northwest of it.
Bruce got a casualty. Do you want me to go over there and deal with it?
Hey, Phil, move.
If I'm moving.
Come on, Fridge.
Can someone tell Bruce that
Alpha, you should be able to see the smoke to the northwest. Those are the buildings most likely with the HVT inside. Push inside, secure those buildings first, set up a perimeter and search them for the HVT.
Okay, so the building in front of us, northwest. That's the HVT location.
Do you have flashbangs by any chance? Okay. Friendlies.
Alright, friendlies on your left, friendlies on your left. Hold fire.
Yeah. Roy, how you looking?
Say again.
Copy. Gonna wait till you
How are you
arrive.
then?
Pushing right.
Disregard. Bruce running medic. Which, I don't know. So I'm coming back over now.
Clear. Push out.
I'm very surprised that worked.
Oh, I
Yeah,
Not gonna lie, we should have died.
Take the right one.
Simpson on this PL, how many seats do you have in your Blackhawk?
Holding security outside.
Yeah.
If, you did hear my last message, didn't you?
Clear. On you.
Repeat.
Bruce running, turns out Bruce running medic, I don't know, so
Okay.
I'm on my way back now.
Oh, right, copy, yeah, I did hear that, sorry.
Okay, pushing.
No, I didn't get a response, so I didn't know.
War crime 1, Citrip.
Yeah, we were breaching at the same time, so...
Copy.
Yeah, it's
No
fine,
changes
just
of
making
last.
sure. I'm coming up now.
Clear. Pushing up. Okay, opening. Copy. Let's see. Oh, you're here. There's no one inside.
Alright,
Oh, wait,
search the compound.
voices. I know. I heard voices somewhere over here.
Start searching the compound.
Okay, start searching.
We're good.
Disregard
last, I believe we have 11 people in the bird.
I'm with you.
Negative, we just drove straight through the
Not
place,
counting
going in like a mad
one
lad.
gunner
You'll see
and one
footage later.
Okay, I'm gonna grab you with us.
Yeah, go there. My ten's right.
No, my rim gunner, no!
Bye, guys.
Beware, just be aware, I did hear voices over here.
Yep.
Okay, Cam, attach to yourself to blue team. We're gonna go clear the building.
Blue team, cover there.
to push on me, hold here.
Another door on me. Wait.
Alpha, scratch that. Mount up in the Humvee.
Copy that. Scratch that, we're mounting back up.
Bad message. War crime is at 100%, gun and drivers all up.
That the high command makes the mind up. Because I've ran over there, Brute's told me he's running medic, I've ran back over here, I've been
On the radio, I was treating him. That is literally what I said.
You're not, I'm not on your radio!
Camp, get on the rig, gun.
I heard just man down.
Camp, get on the rear gun, camp. Let's go, camp.
Alright, Rivers, get in, get in.
I'm in.
Just find a seat, get in.
Yep, got the gun. I'm in.
You boy.
Right. Oh, nice seat I found.
Hang on, let me switch.
No, we got space, mate.
Negative.
Team 711, if you're able to our north, there's another marker marked OBJ, red flag. If you can fly there, circle around and scout the area.
It's the bunker. They're gonna use it. Yay.
You also
Both squads to our north, marked OBJ, is our next objective.
We are moving north.
So head north, head north, head north.
PMC group most
Stick
likely
on this
has
road.
taken our HVT to this bunker area there. We are to move there and try and clear it and get a hold of the HVT as fast as possible.
Yeah, roger that.
Question.
Straight road.
Said.
The BMC is still hostile.
Yes.
Copy.
Take it slow, Rook, take it slow.
Be advised, Team Sun has eyes on them and we're taking contact.
If you see BMC, you're gonna shoot him.
Wave off them. RE as of right now is shoot back only.
Yeah.
Never mind, the new orders are the ROE is shoot back only.
Don't shoot unless shot upon.
That seems like a fun way to die.
Hey Z, if you're on a gun,
Yeah?
if you hear a ping, just start shooting.
Roger that.
No, you can't shoot.
At this time, keep your eyes open for any QRF that might come to us.
I will say, out of 2,500 rounds, I'm down to 960, so just keep that in mind.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Camp, we might be using you quite a bit.
I would say hold here.
Yeah, hold at the top of the hill.
Over here, smoke. Oh, that was them.
Oh, that was us. That was
Fun
us.
message, we can go assault it from here.
Yeah, make a soft dismount, take the VIX up there too.
Soft dismount.
The infantry are getting out. They're escorting us up the hill.
I saw explosions behind us. I didn't know whether it was smoke, and it just suddenly clicked into place what happened.
Okay, Fridge, it's gonna be simple, make a wedge and assault the OBJ.
Oh, it is horrible.
Sense, if possible, use the elevation we have to the south of the OBJ.
Bro, there should be a cut through on that house.
Yeah, so if you move south, there should be a trench line running
might not be able to see it.
across the
I
thing.
can't see any house from here, so I'll
So
take
if
your
you
word on
can, yeah, basically,
Just from looking at the map, it looks pretty
not
flat.
really.
So
If you
the
go,
objective will just be
let's see,
rather exposed.
directly
Yeah.
west,
Corner.
you can
it.
you're gonna hit
right,
the
so when
trench
we
line.
come round, you go to the...
I'm looking at the White House.
And try and get a move on. We are still on a timer. We don't want the guy to get executed.
Roll out. Go,
Gonna
go,
stay on
go.
the right side. As yesterday. Okay, let's push up.
Yeah, I suggest wait for infantry to at least check over the hill before we go rolling in.
Come on, you in an armored vehicle. What you doing?
Yeah, I've got 900 rounds left, bro, out of 2,500.
Actually, we can do this.
Tombstone in the field.
Say again.
Tombstone to PL, message over.
Set.
There seems to be a giant bunker in the middle of the compound area, and probably a good point there. The HP's there.
Hey, phone, thank you for your message.
West.
Armor, be aware and don't go too close to the objective unless our infantry is close as well.
Who's getting hit?
The camp, I believe.
No, not me, not me.
Yeah, I got it. I got it.
On you, go.
Be advised, there's a whole
hold
squad
up,
to the southern tip of the trench line.
Bomb miss.
Wait, what? Alpha to your south is a whole squad. Be prepared for it.
There's a whole squad south of us.
Brutes and
Armor is currently engaging in a compound. Multiple combatants already shot.
hey, firm, are you able to hold your position there?
Push northeast,
Yes,
looking to
yeah, we're suppressing them.
Hey, firm.
They have eyes on the compound. Oh, you do?
I've got smokes and everything if needed.
I would say push more west. Like west, southwest. Get to another trench line. Frag it, just frag it. Frag out.
Covering.
Alpha message.
Send message.
Armor's about to slowly cross the field, pushing him in back in their compound.
Copy that, good luck. Okay, let's move it west. Get quickly to the next trench line. Get eyes on the compound.
Wolfram 1, be aware of the compound to your north. There could still be enemies inside.
Copy.
So that looks like a missile silo. They might hold the HVT in time.
Pushing on you.
Move along the trench.
Hey, firm, copy that. Alpha, Citra.
R2, mate, are you pushing up with us or?
Yeah, I'm following behind.
Excellent.
Alpha, Citra, are you able to push to the compound?
We are able to. Give us a second.
Hey.
Fridge hold. We're gonna push to the compound now. Copy. Just regroup with your team and then make an assault.
I'm to your right.
Can move more west.
Cover.
Fridge, get two of your guys to clear that trench to the northeast.
I'll go help clear it.
Copy. I'll go grab camp.
Let's go, camp.
Alpha, you are to clear the compound and fight the HVT if
R2's
possible.
with.
Fridge, hold that door for now. Go clear the compound to the north. Plateau message. We are assaulting the compound now.
Hey, firm, keep it posted.
I'm a reload.
Okay, R2 coming. Do you set up a big gun on
The
this?
infantry's there, they're gonna do what we're gonna do anyway.
Yep.
Watch the door. If anyone comes out,
They're gonna
shoot.
sweep it before we go anywhere near it. Yeah, no, you are right. We should have really went right, but fuck it. We balling this up. No, we're heavily armored.
Copy, Bridget.
Anything inside?
Holding gate.
Nothing.
Platoon message.
Yeah, go back.
The compound is clear, we're gonna go down to the bunker now.
So far, the recording has not stopped since we
You are to post security outside. Look out for any users.
The best op ever. Holy shit.
Where's the bunker? Is it that building there?
It's
west?
this thing here.
Okay, I got on your feet, let's move.
Right.
Cover that, where do you want to go?
You stay there. I'm gonna set up the
Come.
Gonna be last.
Yep, ready.
Fun.
Fuck you.
I'm gonna call it now, we all gonna die in the bunker. See you.
I'm going with
Oh, fuck you.
you. Fuck you. You ruined it, but I was taking pictures of every single one going inside, and then you came and ran up to me. Fuck.
Take it slow, guys.
You should have just got a picture of his
That
face.
was
on
on
it.
channel.
Yeah, I know.
Twice
Take it slow.
now.
More than twice, but that's fine.
True.
You know why?
Why?
Because I have the radio backpack and I have like 15.
I
15
dialed
radio
all of them
channels.
back. Wait.
It is really deep. Any flashy
Hey, firm,
bangs?
just be advised your radio's still getting fuzzy again.
It will be fuzzy down there because of.
Try and find any intel in here that might lead to us knowing what happened to the HVT or where he is.
Fun message. Armor has dismounted drivers to clear trees to improve lines of fire.
Hey, firm, do whatever you need.
Covering in front of you.
Copy.
Okay, R2 take front, we're gonna... Left.
Not today.
One, scratch one.
Stay still, mate. There you go.
Push
There
back.
you go. You're fine.
Keep pushing,
Undo.
pushing.
One on the right.
Good spot.
Watch my right. Watch my right.
See that?
Coming up on a sealed door.
Copy.
Confirm.
There's a air vent to my
Tombstone
right.
is in contact with QRF infantry.
That's clear.
Hey, firm, what's the position of the enemy QRF?
You have one time squad south of the OBJ on the hill and one squad southwest on the other side of a bridge.
Copy.
Hey, firm, Warcraft Zone 1, are you able to deal with that?
What's the bearing? Sorry. I
R2 open the door.
Tombstone, repeat.
Wait, one,
370?
war crimes just below us, there's a bridge.
Pushing him.
Copy.
Copy, go left.
Checking left. Holding left.
Copy. Do not open this door, what do we do?
Alright, copy that, I'm pushing down.
Blue, hold this door.
You want us to push and engage them?
Confirm. Holding. Mark.
Negative.
You know what, I'm
Just
not gonna
hold
lie.
for now, but are you able to
It's okay.
just hold your ground
Because I
there?
know
If you
what's
get
in
hit,
Copy.
there. I know.
Yeah, we can do
I'm
that.
not gonna say anything, but I know
If
what's
you
in there.
need any help, tell us and we might be able to send some infantry up.
Copy.
Other than that, you also have the castle.
Copy. You're still under Tombstone, yes, Waffle?
Yes, on trace
He's
there's
on
a few
my
more as
right.
well.
Copy.
Under fire.
Do you need me over there?
One. Hold your ground. One. Hold ground.
Watch out, there's a hallway behind us to the north. I'll watch it.
Fun message. Possible for the Gatling Humvee to receive rearm is
Smoked
critical
it.
on ammo.
Fun message.
Am I still
I
towards the
will
door?
need to get a resupply on the
wait
Gatling
for the
gun.
Negative.
smoke and then
Push
push
down
in.
there. It's clear, it's clear.
Yes, it is. Those are nuclear warheads. Good luck.
Yeah, okay.
Currently not able to get resupply on the.
Copy, no resupply.
Oh shit. We got corpses down here. And we got a sealed door.
Copy. Someone take a picture of the body.
Can I pose with it?
Yeah, sure, go, do it.
Okay.
It's gonna be a slow
War
opening.
crimes, watch to your southwest. They're coming in the trees.
Bullets are just gonna start fucking flying.
No, what the f... Is that a bomb?
It's a nuclear missile.
It's a missile.
It's a nuclear missile, just keep going. It's fine. Yeah.
And there's the grass.
Okay,
Probably
push
fuck
back
it.
up, look for intel.
Should we close the doors behind us?
No, leave them open. Button message. We found a body, unsure who it is.
Okay, where?
Down here.
Over here.
Yeah.
He's very much dead. Whoever that is.
Yeah. Have you checked?
It's fine, it's fine, it's okay. It's fine.
Sans, is this clear?
You're trying to find some intel.
Go there.
Moving back up to you.
Found anything interesting? Except the nukes over here.
Command the spiel message.
Can I drive the nuke back to my home planet?
You're able to pick it up.
Nah.
Hang on. No,
Can I take a march?
Command. This is.
What about this door to the left?
Open it, push it.
Sam,
Open.
do me a favour. Are we gonna go deaf? That's all I'm gonna
Dearest
ask you.
command, do
I
you read me?
have no idea.
It's just back into the missile silo, it seems clear.
A-firm, push out, try to look for intel.
Is it pointy? It is pointy. Let me see if it's pointy.
It's rounded.
Is that open? I thought I shut myself. I thought the top was open.
No, it's not. It's the cupola thingy on top. Oh, Jesus Christ.
That was
My
close.
bad.
though. That would have been good if you fucking knocked him out, would it?
I got. Yeah.
One time's body was covered with a target, unable to ID.
Yep, okay, push out.
I mean, judging by how happy they are upstairs, it can't be that bad.
As soon as you see them.
Beeline into the trench line.
Okay. There it is.
So you have a really good firing angle. For the most part.
Their bullet just fly right past my head.
You guys are being shot. I can't aim it.
War crime message.
I have no direction.
And
What's the situation on top?
we're taking pot shots on her where at the moment.
South somewhere. There was a
A-firm.
I think.
South, maybe.
In general,
I don't see. Oh wait.
I don't see anybody.
Okay, let's.
I mean,
Friendly check.
East.
Friendly.
I know. Yeah, the eastern trench over there.
All squads, secure
wait,
the
hold.
area
Yeah, 1-on-1.
and hold the perimeter.
Oh.
Okay, we have orders to hold the perimeter. Okay, 1-on-1. And cross it.
I don't know what the fuck going on.
I just want.
Team 711, this is PL. How is your situation looking?
Move your Vic
Still
as you
taking
see
light
fit.
contact, we're cleaning it up though.
Hey, firm, keep me posted.
Use your left alt.
Grim, keep your gun towards the southwest.
I know, it's just hard. I saw
know, I
bullets
know.
fly past my head.
I know. It's for now.
I know. Oh, we're still nurturing tonight.
Are you wasting your ammo, motherfucker?
There they are. 142, 142.
Better be. Ammo kit, gun, right side. Right side, Grim, right side.
I'm on the flank. Let me push to the middle. Hang on.
Right, give me a second, please.
Excuse me.
My bad. I was on my map. Sorry.
Thanks, mate. Appreciate you. Thanks.
You know that also sounds, you know that picture, you know that smiley face patch
We're
you put
being
in
engaged
pictures,
from
I want
multiple
it.
directions.
I know you are.
You know, I just love to have that on my arm.
To the east.
I mean, you can ask.
Alpha, if possible, help the armor teams to get secure to them.
That's a lot of cannons.
Engage.
Let's push more south to the end of the sandbags.
Can't push more south, mate.
Push more south. Come on, come on, come on.
You see that motherfucker?
Set up over here.
Don't wait.
This is good.
West, west.
Shoot him.
I can't see a
You can
single
see?
fucking
Yeah,
guy.
he's already dead. Someone's got him.
Yeah. I'm vaguely
One more
okay.
west.
I'm still stuck inside this fucking cursed vehicle, but I'm okay.
Alpha, be advised, to your north, you have the compound surrounded with sandbags. You're able to use that as a
by the
defensive
trees.
position.
Past the smoke.
Copy, but we don't have eyes on the western side.
Right.
You do have eyes on the western side.
There's a big ass rock in the way.
Copy. We have enemy contact behind the bunker entrance.
If try pushing closer to the northern compound, use it as cover if possible.
Is that everyone in? Oh shit, funny, funny.
I have tourniquets on, mate.
Yeah, no. I'm sorting you.
Get on the wall.
But the bad experience you today earlier than fucking FOP.
I can't tell if I fucking nailed him or not.
Right, you can take those tourniquets off now.
Oh, man, let me do it.
Oh, I'll take it then. I'll have it.
Yes, thank you.
Well, I'll give it. Yeah, you can.
PL direction.
Really important.
Hey, Grim, U-turn. Bearing 260. You see that
If
motherfucker?
moving the marker.
No, I don't. 260. I think we nailed him.
Yeah, we got him. If you can't see them, keep moving until you can identify a bearing.
Yeah, bearings are.
CCP is marked on map.
Yeah. I can get the Vic to move. Oh, that's coming south. Southeast. Somewhere in that way, that's where they head.
From,
We've just
did I
lost
give you
one of
morphine,
the rear
mate?
tires, Grim.
No, but I gave it myself.
I'm marching. Should we carry it now? Naughty.
I'm not seeing anything.
Yeah, but I'm also aware that I'm fucking far away most of the time of you, so...
Yeah, fair, you know what? Fair enough.
Right, hold on.
I was
I'm gonna
preparing.
try to repair a Vic.
After the last
see
time,
stop,
I got down at the top, I grabbed more
Genuinely.
medical supplies just in case.
I was trying to get to you, you know that, don't you?
I know, but I could. You couldn't jump it. I couldn't.
But I could jump and you could go down.
They see him. Keep him suppressed then. 1, 2, 3 rounds every minute, every seconds.
Every minute is fine.
Being that guy.
Thompson, this is PL. You have cleared all the contacts. You are to land in this field here. Marking with 3.
Sounds like we're getting evac.
Yeah.
Which they can just pick one of us up, so just mount in one vehicle when he gets it.
I don't know, because if everybody else has to drive out, we don't have to.
Warcraft 1, you are to dismount your vehicles.
Yeah.
Copy.
Pick us up. Take us back.
Flammable.
Get the fuck out.
Can we request that he picks us up and flies us away?
No. Man, get the fuck out of the car.
Please, please. He can't get
Chosen
out.
1, once landed, you are to shut off the engine and get out as well.
On message.
No.
This unit.
Yes.
The gunner on the Gatling turret is stuck in the Vic and can't dismount.
Come on, LCPL, we have a guy stuck.
Just hop
Okay, back,
out.
what's happening?
Guess we'll need to debrief here then, since he got here.
Wrong guy.
Alright. Who put super glue on Z's hands?